Hello students, I am your math teacher Abhijit Samanto. Today we are going to start LCM Cell Practice 5e from operations on large numbers. Okay, so please be ready with your LCM book and copy. So my dear students, in this class we will learn estimation, estimate a sum, estimate difference, estimate product, estimate quotient. Okay, so first we will learn what is estimation. An estimation is finding a number that is close enough to an exact number which may be obtained by rounding of the exact number. So if an exact number is given, okay, from that exact number we will, after rounding of this number, okay, we will get a number which is called the estimated number. Is it clear, my dear student? So what we will do, we will do just the rounding of to an exact number or actual number, okay, and we will get a estimated number. Is it clear? Okay, so first, rules to estimate a sum or difference. So my dear students, the rules to estimate a sum and difference are same. Okay, so what is the rule? To estimate a sum or difference, round all numbers to the highest place value of the smallest number. Then add. If you doing sum, you add. If you doing difference, you subtract these rounded numbers. Okay, let's do it. Explain in the given example. Cell practice 5b, question number 1. Estimate the sums and differences. Okay, so what is given? This. So my dear student, what you have learned from that rule, listen here. Okay, if you not understand, just see the rules, then do it. Okay, see here. First step. What is the first step? So first step is we have to find which number is the smallest number, this number or this number. What is the smallest number? So obviously this is the smallest number. Okay, this is the first step. Next, second step, of this smallest number, what is the highest place? Obviously this is the highest place. This is the highest place. This is the highest place. Is it clear? That means the most left, this is the highest place. Which place it is? 10,000 place. Okay, this is the second step. Third step is we will rounding up both numbers to the nearest 10,000 place, because here the highest place is 10,000. Highest place of smallest number is 10,000. So here 7 is at 10,000 place. Okay, so we will do rounding up. So now my dear student, in class 4 you have already learned rounding up. Okay, what you have learned? You have learned this, that if the digit which is just right of rounding digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, do not change the rounding digit. All the digits that are on the right hand side of the rounding digit will become 0. You will already learned it. And if the digit which is just right of rounding digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, that means 5 or more than 5, the rounding digit rounds by one number. That means the rounding digit plus 1. All the digits that are on the right hand side of the rounding digit will become a 0. Okay, you already learned. So look at here. So when you rounding 7, so what is just right side of 7? 3. Okay, so 3 less than 5 or more than 5? Obviously less than 5. So if it is less than 5, this 7 will no change. Okay, this 7 will just like 7. So this 57 will be 57. Okay, now what is given? All the digits are on the right hand side. Okay, so here right hand side, how many digit? 4 digit. So all will be 0. So all will be 0. Is it clear? Okay, now come to the next. So here what is the rounding digit? 2 is the rounding digit. So just right side of 2, what is the digit? It is 7. It is 7. So 7 more than 5 or less than 5? Obviously it is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, this 2 will be plus 1, rounds by 1. 2 plus 1, it will be 3. So it will be 3. Okay, now how many digit? Just after rounding digit, Okay, 4. So it will be 40. It will be 40. Okay, so do the sum. Okay, and write the answer statement. Estimated sum is equal to this. So my dear student, so why we will learn the estimation? Because we will do estimation to make our calculation easier. So if I ask my dear students that do the sum mentally, so it will take time, but if you rounding of these numbers, then if you do, then you can easily do it by mentally. So to make our calculation easier, we will learn estimate. Okay, question number C. Look, here two numbers given. First step, we will see which number is smallest. So this number is the smallest. So what is the highest place? This is the highest place. Okay, so here also this is the highest place. Okay, now when we rounding of 6, after 6, right side of 6, what is the digit? 0. 0 means less than 5. So if it is less than 5, it will be same. So 6 will be 6. Okay, now how many digit? Just right side of 6, 5. So there will be 5 0. There will be 5 0. Okay, now when we rounding of 4, so what number is just after 4? It is 3. 3 means what? Less than 5. So if it is less than 5, what it will be? 4 will be just same. And how many digits? Just right side of 4, 5 digits. So there will be 5 0. Is it clear? Now do the subtraction. Okay, so my dear student, this is called actual difference and this is called estimated difference. Okay, so asking for estimated difference, right? Estimated difference is this. Is it clear? Okay, come to D. 1, it is given. So first step is what? We'll see what is the smallest number. Obviously this is the smallest number. Okay, so what is the highest place of the smallest number? 9. It is which place? Lakh place. It is lakh place. So what is the lakh place here? 5. So what we will do? We will rounding up both numbers to the nearest lakh place. Is it clear? To the nearest which place? The highest place of the smallest number. Okay, now when it rounding of 5, just see just right side of 5. What is the number? What is the digit? 1. So 1 means less than 5. If it is less than 5, 5 will be changed. 5 will no change. So 5 will just as 5. That means this 15 will be just same as 15. Now how many digit? After 5, it will be 5. So all will be 0. Okay, please very careful. Okay, now here when we rounding up 9, which number, which digit just after 9? 2. 2 means less than 5. If it is less than 5, no change. So 9 will be 9. Now how many digit? Just right side of 9, 5 digit. So there will be 5 0. Now do this subtraction, right? Estimated difference is equal to this. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, hope you understand it. Now estimate the product of the following. First we see the rule. What is the rule? To estimate a product, round each numbers to its highest place value, then multiply these rounded numbers. Very easy. See the difference while doing add and subtract and while doing the multiplication. Okay, in the previous sums we are rounding to the highest place of smallest number, but here we will round each number's highest place value. Each number's highest place value, not only the smallest number, each numbers. Okay, and you will see one thing, that after rounding up, each number contains one non-zero digit, other will be 0. Okay, come here. So this is the given number. So what is the highest place value? 6. 6 is the highest place. Okay, so when we rounding of 6, what is the number just after 6? 1. So 1 means less than 5. If it is less than 5, no change of 6. So 6 will be 6. Okay. Now how many digit just after right side of 6? 3 digit. So it will be 30. Okay. Now, so 285. What is the highest place? 2. Okay. So when we rounding up to, what is the number just right side of 2? 8. So 8 is less than 5 or more than 5? More than 5. So when it is 5 or more than 5, what we'll do? We'll do plus 1 with the rounding digit. So do plus 1 with the rounding digit. This 2 will be 3. And how many digit? Just after the rounding digit. Okay, not by the digit which we will check that it is more less than or more than. Okay, so just after the rounding digit. So after 2, it is 2 digit. That means 20. Okay, so what we will do? Next we will do the multiplication. Look, 3 and here 6. 6 3s are 18. And how many 0? Here 3 and here 2. Here are 5 0. So write estimated product is equal to this. Okay, now D. Here in this number, what is the highest place? This is the highest place. So when we round up 1, what is the next digit? Just after 1, it is 2. 2 is less than 5. When it is less than 5, rounding digit, no change. That means 1 will be 1. And how many digit? Just after 1, 3 digit. That means it will be 1000. Is it clear? Now, when we rounding this 5, because 5 is the highest place. Okay, just see the next digit. It is 0. So 0 less than 5. So if it is less than 5, 5 is no change. So it will be 500 because there are 2 digits just right side of 5. So 500. Next do the multiplication. 5 ones are 5 and they are 50. Write the answer statement that estimated product is equal to this. Okay. So my dear students, hope you enjoy this class and understand all the maths. Okay. The next class we will learn estimated quotient and the word problems. Thank you.